Hey, this is Chris from GuitArmy. This lick is from my course Must Know Rock Guitar Licks that is available at GuitArmy.net and Skillshare. The links for the course are also in the description if you're interested. Have fun with the lick. Alright, for this lick number 2, I'm going... And to me, that's kind of out of, I think it's a really cool lick that comes out of the guitar solo for Stairway to Heaven. It's in there. So how I have this notated is, the idea here is that you're doing 5 notes in one beat. What you're doing is, and it's the exact same thing for each beat, you're starting on the 2nd string, 15th fret. You're going to take this, this D right here, and you're going to bend it up a whole step. And then bring it back down, and then play the 2nd string 13th fret. Now when you watch me do it fast, I'll go. I'm barely even picking anything. I'm doing a lot of it pull-offs. So we'll take a look at how I'm picking it then. But when you do it slower, you tend to pick it a little more. Because that 13, I'm generally doing a pull-off. I'm doing the bend. Then I'm doing a pull-off where I'm not even using this hand. I'm just pulling, I'm pulling away, I'm plucking down, doing a pull-off. And then on the 3rd string, I'm going to play the 14th fret. And then on the 2nd string, go back to this C here, this 13. And then you just have to do that 4 times. And you have to get those 5 notes in one foot tap. Like. So the way I'm able to kind of time it correctly, I'm not even exactly sure this is the exact correct way to how the guitar tablature, how I wrote it, but it sounded pretty close when I actually played it in Guitar Pro. All right, so so what I'm trying to do is I'm really focusing on the downbeat of each beat, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the downbeat of each beat, I need to hit that 15, that bend. And then I'm just trying to get the rest of the notes in there. That doesn't sound super technical that way, but that's basically what I'm doing. So to me, to make this lick work and sound great, I just have to hit that whole step bend on 15 on the downbeat. All right, so why don't we go ahead and take a look at how I'm picking that. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about how I'm picking this lick. What I'm doing is on that downbeat of the downbeat of each one, I'm actually picking up. When I first start the lick, I'll start down. But by the 2nd beat, I'm already picking that up. So I'm just going to tell you to pick up on the 1st beat there, on that 15. I'm going to pick up. I'm going to pick up. Then I'm going to do a pull off to 13. And then on the 14 on the 3rd string, I'm going to pick down. Then I'm going to pick down on the 13 on the 2nd string. So I'm going up, down, down. Because basically that's kind of like a rake. Or a little mini sweep, if you will. Not a rake, but I'm going down, down. Instead of trying to do alternate picking, it's easier to just go down, down. So I'm going up, pull off, down, down. So what ends up happening is, picking-wise, you're going up, technically up, down, down, up, down, down. So it becomes this motion of just kind of going up, down, and it becomes very fluid that way. Now I'm going to go ahead and play the lick a couple times, and you go ahead and play along with me. I should mention that this is not a beginner lick. It's an intermediate to an advanced lick. Going... You know, you have to have pretty fast hands to do that. So if you're a beginner, you know, you might want to just, I would do it slowly. I would go. You can do it slowly and slowly work up, just knowing that this is a really cool lick that you're going to be able to use in the future. So I would just, like I said, just play it slowly and know that if you keep playing it, eventually you'll get it up to speed and it'll sound really cool. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and play through it a couple times. If you want to play along with me, that'd be great. Let's see here. I guess I'm going to go a little slower. I'm going to go. All right, here we go. 3, 4. I think slower is a little easier. You can hear it better instead of. Because that's just, I think it's kind of confusing, and it gets a little sloppy the faster you get. All right, so let's go ahead and do it again. 3, 4. And one last time. 3, 4. That was lick number 2. If you like this guitar lesson and you'd like to see more, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when I come out with new videos. Thanks for watching.